Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Fire Safety Regulations 2022. If you're a responsible person and you have a residential building over 18 metres in height, then this is the video for you. In part 1 and part 2 of this series, we've covered the basic requirements of buildings within 2 or more domestic premises and residential buildings over 11 metres in height. In this part of the series, we're going to be covering the additional requirements for buildings above 18 metres in height. So let's get started.
In all high-rise buildings, the fire safety regulations now makes it a legal requirement to comply with Regulation 4, secure information boxes. This must be installed and maintained within or on the building.
This box must be accessible at all times for the fire and rescue service and must be inspected annually to ensure all information contained is kept up to date and accurate. The information should contain the name and contact details of those who are responsible for the building. It should also contain hard copies of the building floor plans identifying key firefighting equipment for firefighters.
Responsible persons must now comply with Regulation 5, design and materials of the external wall system.
The responsible person must now record the design and materials of the external walls and is required to share that information with their local fire and rescue service.
Regulation 6, building plans. The responsible person must now provide up-to-date building floor plans to the local fire and rescue service, and also a hard copy of these plans must be within the secure information box. Regulation 7, lifts and firefighting equipment. The responsible person must now undertake monthly inspections of lifts intended for firefighters, such as evacuation lifts, and the functionality of firefighting equipment.
If a fault is identified, then the building owner must rectify the fault. For any reason, if a fault cannot be rectified within a 24-hour period from when the fault was identified, then the responsible person must now report any defective lifts or firefighting equipment to the local fire and rescue service through their website and again when the fault has been rectified.
Regulation 8, wayfinding signage. This signage is intended to help responding firefighters to navigate around the building.
If you're a business and you require assistance or support on how to meet your legal obligations, please speak with your local fire and rescue service, who may recommend you join a primary authority scheme. They themselves can provide you with consistent regulatory advice that makes it simple to comply with legislation across your whole organisation.